Have you ever wondered why our feathered friends are important? In this video, we're going to learn some of the reasons why we value birds. To begin with, birds are part of all natural and urban or city environments, and they do various things to help the natural world. For example, many birds are seed dispersers. They feed on and digest whole fruits, except for the seeds which pass through their bodies whole. These seeds maintain their ability to germinate or sprout and grow into trees or shrubs. Other birds, such as swallows and flycatchers, are controllers of insect populations. While flying, these birds feed on insects such as moths or mosquitoes that might otherwise spread disease. Scientists estimate that a single swallow can eat up to 60 insects in an hour. Imagine how many insects there would be without swallows. Other birds feed on insects that live on plants. These birds help us control all those bugs that could be a pest to farmers' crops, plants in your garden, and forests. If there were no insect-eating birds, we would have to face a much bigger problem with harmful insects. Still, other birds, such as orioles and hummingbirds, are pollinators. They spend much of the day visiting different flowers to try to find nectar or pollen to eat. And in this way, they carry pollen from one plant to the next, pollinating the flowers and allowing them to produce fruit. So next time you go for a walk in the woods or eat some of these tasty fruits, remember that they were made possible by birds.